First block, your assignments for today while I'm out are the following. You are to finish did you hear about the antelope puzzle that you started yesterday? When you finish this, turn it into the box, making sure you show all of your work. After that, you're to upload your videos to Schoology. So if you need to go get the iPads, or if one person needs to go get the iPads in order to upload them, that's fine. Make sure that you have to, if you did an iMovie, you have to take it, save it to your camera roll, and from your camera roll, you can upload it to Schoology into the assignment. Make sure you go into the assignments to where it says the skit and the name of the assignment, and that's where you're going to turn it into. And I do expect to see that tomorrow. I will be checking that. Once you do that, you come back in, you create a graphic organizer or foldable to show how to solve system of equations using all 5 elements of the Common Core. This must be neat, must be organized in different colors. I do expect you to take some time on this. If you're done in 10 minutes, you have definitely not done what I've asked you to do. And when I say all 5 elements, guys, I'm giving you some options here. Again, it can be a foldable, graphic organizer of some sort. Assume that I knew nothing about system of equations, and you have to teach me. So after that, you're going to complete. It's the enrichment page. It's 6-1. It's a little task for you for some higher order thinking. You finish that, you are to do some study island. It's a little bit of a review. Linear versus nonlinear is one assignment, and linear relationships is another. And you must do a minimum of 20 questions. As you can use your phone, or the computers, the laptops, whatever means as far as technology goes, in order to do that. And I do expect you to take your time, and that I will be taking a grade on that. So don't just blow it off. I expect that your behavior will be respectful toward the sub, and I will see you guys on Monday. Now, if you're in my second and third blocks, here's what your assignment's going to be. You're going to complete it in this order. The practice probe, it's 8.ee.b6. You can write on the paper, but also you have to show all of your work. This is independent. Which means, for the sub, I expect each person to work on this by themselves first, without any help. I do expect them to show all the work. And once you finish that, as you can finish the puzzles from yesterday, third block, yours is up on my desk. Second block, if you turned it into the second block box, or if you still have it, continue working on that. You can go back to the screencast if needed that you were watching yesterday. So once you finish that, I expect you to create a graphic organizer or a foldable explaining how to graph a linear equation. I would love it if you could do one in slope-intercept form and do one that's not in slope-intercept form, one that's in standard form, and you have to put it into slope-intercept form, just like what we've been working with the last couple days in class. If you happen to finish that, you can do your study island. Linear versus nonlinear is one assignment. Linear relationships is the other. You must do a minimum of 20 questions. Again, you can use a phone, iPad, computers, and to be able to complete that. I do want to go back and talk about the graphic organizer, as this has to be neat and in order, and use color. Do not rush through this, and don't be sloppy. I expect good work. And so this kind of rounds up what I expect from you. I do expect your behavior to be respectful toward the substitute. If not, there will be consequences when I get back. And I believe you're going to have a great day and have a good weekend. See you guys on Monday.